Child's Show, Meet Child's Show, your most educative show. Masaba on Chen, and the middle Germany. You see, dear, I'm on for experience, and I tap it into. And the Opesa Okosua dear with Germany. A dear never saw a year before you even get to school in Germany. Nanyame bonus of Okodru Germany. Okodru Germany. What are some of the challenges you may face? A dear experience na benya our Germany. Why do people even choose Germany? Many are about meet child show so.
Yeah, many are paying me also. And thanks for having me on your show.
You're welcome. You're always welcome to meet child show.
Yeah, thank you.
There's no discrimination on this platform. Nti yema obia kwenya ba meet child show so omeche na adwene omeka bibi na amanfo ensua bibi mfrem. Nti ya na eyeme ahohoaho se mema obia the platform to speak on Meet Charles Show. Now, within the same location, Ben as a CEO.
You're from Gyamfi, Thaddeus. Now, today kind of your Germany, your Lower Saxony, uh, Göttingen to be precise.
Oh, Göttingen, what?
Göttingen.
The Lower Saxony. Oh, okay.
Yeah, Lower Saxony, Göttingen.
Okay. And to Ghana and Kaudu, when the baboon is Sebi and Kao, Asante Mantamane,
Ghana, maybe I say Ashanti region, maybe I may war tech side of
okay, anyway.
Yeah.
Okay, location wise, Matthias here.
Yeah.
Now, answer now about Germany. Answer now about Germany, acquire masters no. Now, what the kind alcohol pay and answer what the kind of Europe pay.
Oh, okay. Germany, me mahada, and I mean, pro in European country, be also happen. Ghana na yatanabo yebra and sana yamiadum yadi ebipia.
Where the fact, let me be sad because I did remember I choose Germany to go and study there at once. Well, you university of Ghana, yet yes, here. Now, if I don't Germany in the betul.
Yeah, I'm say about Germany. First of all, no quality education. I say Germany, you Ghana in our no. Ubi pe material bi and ubi pe machine bi oh Germany they stand for quality. You know, about omo academics they are top notch. And ebi also no omo education no very affordable. About tuition they run some tuition free programs compared to other universities no. The idea about one and most of the international courses also no, they are being taught in English because when they compare Russia, Ukraine, China, and other countries but this is language, you know, for about 1 year to 2 years. And but they have a lot of international courses omode English and actually, you know, nina ka home be and almost our scholarship programs and also with me at least with me a baby kakra supporting throughout your education. To when you can be na mame select and say chooses baba Germany na babesua de.
Now, scholarship no unim be bidding.
Oh, omo Erasmus Mundi scholarship. Yeah, na omo run a European scholarship. Nti no wait me about 1 year will be as a Germany. One year over in Germany, maybe 1 year so other European countries. Because Göttingen, I did about they are affiliated to more than 200 universities in Europe.
Okay.
You know, say Oba ahase Oba besuadia when opportunity to also travel to other European universities to further your education. And almost our Asta, and also another scholarship and also no ewaha and for it me enjoy from. Yeah.
Yeah, and said about the popular ones, no, the DAA, DNA,
Yeah.
the Henry Ball Foundation scholarships, and so forth. Okay. Now, why that particular university, University of Göttingen?
Yeah, I'm say American can oba Grottingen na baby a ɛwɔ no ɛnhyɛ da nye kuru kɛseɛ bi asa. Nti no ama distance from halls to the university no emu ɛnwa ɛne yɛ one thing. Nti proximity of baby a ɔbɛtena to campus no ɛnya deɛ a wɔbrɛ. ɛna afei so from the university to ebi a market places any other attractive places no so ɛnya deɛ ayɛ dɛ emu ɛwa. Tiɛ ne yɛ adeɛ baako. ɛna ɛba science so a anaasɛ mefra sɛ research, there are a lot of research facilities are affiliated to the university. Yɛwɔ the Max Planck Institute, they are affiliated to Göttingen. Yɛwɔ German Aerospace Center, and also affiliated to Göttingen. Ɔwɔ ha wotumi sua nneɛma yɛ dɛ ɛfiri ha bebree. ɛna ɛno nso pa ho a ɔn sɛ Göttingen ha no akɔyɛ student community. So you come into contact with a lot of foreign students into intercultural experience. And also other culture from different parts of the world.
Oh, like I said, addition kwan as okopie Göttingen University like ubuhu. Most of them need chance for other things because city na koye university itself.
Yeah, I basically no addition idea back one and then a kind ahano yemfa anase meka say yentoto say, but we can say all work and no play. It apart from education also no or other social activities and also no you can enjoy from more canoe paddling I know there and yes and you know during the summer and other seasons no. And also you can enjoy from. And now you this one more asabi. So they have other social life
Right.
and also you can enjoy from. Community no more pubs, other football, other games which you may enjoy from. So they are only too bored.
Now German kasa no kasa unumana. What the German kasa?
Oh, asampana wabi sami.
Because me busasa asem because program now say Germany.
Yes,
Germany
yes.
kasa na wotia na say.
Yeah, and yes, German kasa na metie. Say the American you know. Cross na me international program. Yeah, the brofo and a but and also Emma and I say men can say because of say yeah the brofo na extra wadi intino. Oba umfa German kasa no serious. Oba no umfa serious kuro wani enjiwum. Because bibia ye German. Even ofele forms German. Oko supermarket announcement train station because I say me Germany for na me call train station na me train there about Göttingen me gina was me train say ya announce say train on a different platform me so me ntehwe na me gina ho muze nkrofo ha me hu dey cross bia me this time it no emfa ho ne say brofo na wo de ebesua de German kasa ne de say menuanom obi o Ghana na anase obi ehwe free other parts of the world na opese obesua de wo Germany Deutsch ne de on fun serious at least onya some basis e wo Ghana na oba obetimi abet waso wa ye betimi aka no
akoye obi man so yenim se obehye obedi obeda na adwuma sem te say wo school ni obi a usua de I mean study and work bi wo sa
yo eno say ade ba ko a eno so e ma manage Germany me nko other European countries intino I'm being specific to Germany obetimi aye adwuma kakra because student visa na yede ma no it comes with working visa nemo oye limited because oye limited untimi nya adwuma bia nya adwuma bia na obetimi akoye and there are some number of hours as a student no obetimi aye yeah, far working visa now as a student 20 hours in a week. 20 hours in a week. It don't to me and yet a juma and 20 hours in a week. aha sanity into no which me aye bibi kakra e dey support ho eba wo rent or insurance feeding any other petty things will here in Germany.
Like I said, but was here 20 hours a week na koye part-time.
Part-time, sanity, and that's a mini jobs.
Mini jobs ni bin now but my and as be a
Sa
vacation period and day be able to my full-time. So your vacation day.
Now eno kra no ubetimi a full-time. Then so no apart from 20 hours no you will ubetimi aye adwuma full day for 140 days in a year.
Okay.
No say ade ba ko a me nuanom a omutie no so enhye no so.
But on
140
what
140 full days in a year. And I say 280 half day in a year. It's
like I said, so me to wasi me honestly so be madwuma sem ne mre na always no benyanya adwuma.
The kind of student visa no. Yes, wait me adwuma 140 full day. You can full day that is 8 hours. Full day 8 hours. So wait me adwuma 8 hours for 140 days out Germany with a student visa. And I say over half day. You can half day now 4 hours. So wait my adwuma 4 hours and 280 days. Say you can say and I say vacation with me adwuma no. Na put into account as you are spending your days. International yama kwan be year adwuma ye be school and I say school resume mesan aye demum you can say udi unkosua no na we nkokoma
Matthias no but obi a oba hope say oba be sua ade bia no ewo sa hope ni say oba obenya hours kakra bo e dia
sa demum the meka share say enye se bia wo ba ye na wanya adwuma obu empebebre no ye no bi wo ha wo Ghana e just udru ye na within 2 days within 1 week na wo nya adwuma it depended the state obekwa dey akopie so ena ye wo enwuma bi wo kra so omo require some Deutsch basics entina ye kan aka say Deutsch ne de ma eno enya wo number 1 priority apart from say obesua de ne adesua no ho hia demom se woni beje obetena ha asomdwem obetena ma woni age a Deutsch ne de entoto na sekora ti na adwuma ne de nyame adoma obetimi anya bi aye sanity
na so obi pese obi yes had you ye masters bia like how can the person apply for a master's program in Germany?
Okay, but that's it. I'm say can be no and I say question we questioner fa nkofo etirimu and I say omu busa omu ho the edikan ebetimi aye through recommendation from maybe a friend or a brother anya sad dia there was some links bia obetimi akoso na wako check it for schools Germany DAAD.D DAAD.D yeah oko ho na oko bo sa we na ebema and I say ebe schools Germany aba na obetimi afilter for tuition free schools because your private schools are almost fee paying across our website obetimi enya schools tuition free now face no obetimi asa afilter with or cross na when you say obey obeba abisua no there are varieties of programs Germany say obi epese obesua de wa ha obetimi akọ website na mede to dia no na wakọ schools there are variety of schools variety of programs yes English taught programs and ade ba so aha no eboa ye pa compared to English speaking countries no either IELTS I say yeah for offer UK, US, you require for our friends say IELTS.
Yeah,
But
IELTS and also TOEFL.
yeah, IELTS, yeah. But over Germany, once Ghana, yeah, language of study, English. Did you mean here English proficiency? Yeah, so we could have English proficiency or transcripts or certificates, any other petty document, you are good to go. Yeah, wait me apply school. Germany.
Like I said, and all the units know what Germany focus on TOEFL and also IELTS now.
Yeah, sure.
Some universities also don't need the TOEFL or IELTS at all. Don't hear all that English proficiency, from your school in Ghana.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Now, Rebecca said,
yeah. Make me say about 90%. Make me say about 90% of schools ever Hana and demanded for IELTS. They just demand for your English proficiency from or college or university. Yeah.
Rebecca said, yeah, laboratory.
Yeah.
A Nigerian will say, Obodo Yibo, ja, sika krum, ja, wakupi. Now, okay, have you met your expectations so far? When you say one child, dear, African my. Now, okay, your expectations, what mommy to be? Mommy to saying.
Okay, I'm say kind say at times say unya a brother, a friend to guide you through or application na or some information bia eno ne ade ba kwaya na etimi eboa nyame adom meka say Mr. Charles amene within kumwe. You've been a blessing in my life. I'm say you gave me a lot of information, a lot of guidance. Eboa ma settle ewo Germany and Tem compared to other friends, because Germany crew back one accommodation ho eden pa se wo ba ha na wantimi antoto niema yi na wanya accommodation ansa na waba wo ba wo bre, because before you can even apply for a job and access for a job no wo tax ID dey ba from Germany here. Without that company bi no wo ba for adwuma wo tax ID ena ansa na wo benya wo tax ID no so no this be a wo accommodation beka say in some way my expectations ma meet bi, but enye ni nyina ma meet bi the aboa ma metime meet ebi no say me settle intem nti man go through stress say mini tax ID mini insurance mini way, because Germany ha insurance or tax ID dey ba kwa dey ehia wait me dey apply for jobs and I say social security number sa document we and I say informations we with me nya dia eboa ema opa adwuma we dey womre with me nya adwuma dey nti no make say me settle in term Germany school so na bibia so kama adwuma no so no yenya adwuma 1-2 bi so na yede etwitwa yen ho say dem kan yen no enye untimi nye adwuma no for a longer period, and I say make a longer period but then just time no untimi nye hours bebre yeah say na kan no be enche de nemo because so far so good to me so far so good, because of say me settle in them ade ba kuma me nua no na say tie for wo mo enche no so no say once settle in them of Germany life can be frustrated. Yeah, life can be really frustrated.
You were out of frustration because you were able to settle easily in Germany. Now, young pain us in the pain. Where any wo on side, but all quiet now, what do was to form no? In sense, what are some of the general challenges, like main challenges students go through in Germany?
Okay, idea back one, and I say challenges are students go through no one accommodation and what they back one. Secondly, so language it's about international students language, because almost office biya na ubera no Deutsch. Almost office bia obi bra no Deutsch. Ti say one timi and communicate here na eno so one challenge is why be there wo ho. Na ebi also say job search. Job search is another challenge. Job search because of the language barrier.
Yeah,
because there are some.
So but was job search, you know, language, you know, any city or woman, and they be determine how jobs are going to be available to you.
Sir. But averagely, no, a challenge to international students. And from one baby,
yeah, I think we mentioned the problem of accommodation. No accommodations. So what should one do? So be a bus school Germany. Na baby any party need to acquire semi. What should the person do?
Yeah, the kind of I say school bia or the student union have from student invec. Into university hostels no student invec no and a manage. It no the me two minuanuma want the intention of coming to Germany for education and I say for schooling for say when you apply school ni na the next thing you should do is say or apply for accommodation because I have no accommodation on a line. Some people have been in a queue for almost a year. Seriously. Some people have been in a queue for almost a year near omunya accommodation. And your private hostels and also intense mechanism and also problems. Make say language, you know, that's a problem. But I have some friends prepare private hostels, but obedru hono nipa ne no kasa no hu senye enye Deutsch na wokape. Na say adwene no yeah, your friends be bria sa de ne eto wo mu. Won be frɛ, won be kɔ. Okro no nya hu senye Deutsch na wokape. Na say on pese wo de room no be de ebema. But
okay. But you do not mean to say Sebia omoye racist, but German for nka omenya nka omo diem like obia obetu aka
diem omo no German de omo entoto na say no matter where you are coming from so what make kasa no kra na you are very accepted baby be ba we obeko no say me kan you know accommodation one challenge. And then also job search, another challenge. Job search, you know, throughout your education and even after your education, and also another huge problem on itself. Yeah, to land a professional job in Germany without the Deutsch. BBI without the Deutsch. Even though your international companies are working before, they would like to work with you. But ultimately, Casanedia, Ayana, sa challenges here you can was be renide a free work.
What be me ni papa na me say etiefo so asua de free kuma ye di ne nemu bia ne de da person to kwan ko Germany ko sua de bia ne me say more information ohia pa mama about 30 seconds na fatia ifiefo ama mani age pa so insightful.
Yo edikan meda wase wo akwanya odi ama me ma be share me experience in Germany na mechia also pa na ebi also no machia busua e wo fie nyina me yere ene me ma e Ghana na afi so machia me parents ene me brothers
but oyere na your friend say o money be did say oh
okay your friend Sabina Ansa yeah Sabina Ansa mechia no pa ene me ma meja omo Ghana ene abusuafo nyina mechia badwuma mufo kuku abra papa ehona na meye adwuma ansa na mitu kwan aba Germany ti kuku abra papa adwuma efo nyina so mechia wo mu na menka wo mu na adwuma no entumpon na emfre adomu enko adomu afeso UDS fo nyina so me mate 2013 me mate omo nyina so mechia wo mu obi a opɛ sɛ otu kwan ba Germany biara no at least through o video yi so no megye sɛ ne nsa nipa no betumi reach to us na yɛ so no mmoa bi a yɛbɛtumi de aboa no no yɛso yɛde aboa no.
ɛneɛ fa wo WhatsApp number bi a wohwɛ a nipa ɛbɔ dawa ɛnha no to gye.
Okay, atiefoɔ anasɛ anuanom ebɛtumi areach me on 0249 118873 0249 118873 ɛno ne yɛ me local number ɛna me foreign number no nso ɛyɛ +49 157 561 69106. This is bio +491 57 561 69106. It's these numbers will be me reach on WhatsApp. Now a futu bia na say akwansi bia wo ha me so metimi de aboa.
Yana ebi mu fere adeɛ to the sense o ka sɛ ɔma message kura na ɛbɛyɛ din. Wo email address bi amanfo Yahoo ne Gmail ne net ne na so for.
Yo, me Yahoo.
Wakoye student idea. So wo student email.
Your student email. Yeah, and probably me reach me on net. And my student email here Thaddeus dot capital letters Thaddeus.Gyamfi at stud STUD at stud.uni -Gottingen.d. Gottingen here GOETTINGEN Gottingen.d. Thaddeus.Gyamfi at stud.uni-Gottingen.d. Not the
Meet Charles Show. Once again, when we say Mathieu for any bejepa say one more insight as to how they can even apply for university in Germany, and our basis your expectations, any the challenges are be able to go through. You was a momo that motivation why Germany is a destination for obi a person osiki higher education. I mean, we say it here for more on the G school, no, more on the G school, and there a bronya because omanya information be also mutimi jinaso now almost to me it me leapfrog and also omutimi komanim oh abrabom. Emre pemuno when me say unya daji akoya Germany abonte so when you say daji nim when yam rekra I'm shocked. But Emre pemuno yebehwe other requirements so be bad Germany the requirement and also meet it. Na o kan say o wajire wo ma samre ya wakodi akwantu mi o yire ne wo mai betima ba ho bia na ekwan ben na o be fa so wa wo Germany no e de ekwan na so fa so na otumi ma o yire ne o ma be ka wonsa as a student emre pem no ye be di sankomo we but mede wasepi awo meet Charles shows ye de jumade ne besia na emre pem no ya session
Mate that's and I'm more than willing each and every time to accept your offer. That means no idea be I was share MIT for TD or my TV. So Miss Medasa for having me. Yeah.